Good morning, everybody. Longhorn Classic here. We are in Reno, Oklahoma, and it looks like we are going to be able to have a race today. In fact, it's looking beautiful here. Um, we'll go over just to show you where we're at. 7:14 is the time. I'm right here. Oops. Yeah, that's
Southbound US 81 at this location, lane closed.
okay. So we are at um, the intersection of 81 and Highway 40. It's the south end of El Reno, Oklahoma. I could click on that and it will, oh, it didn't give you coords. Oh, there we go. There's the coordinates for almost right where I'm at. So if anybody wants to check the coords, they can. Then let's go outside. If you could see them, there's two light poles, and then off in the distance, let's see, there's a flagpole right there, and there was another one, yeah, another one right there, and you can see that the flags are barely moving. Okay, so then now, let's go, oops, let me turn this around. Get back. Okay. Be able to see, we got clear skies. That's where the sun's gonna come up. And that's where the direction where the birds have to go. So I'm going to set the camera up over here. Oh, let me show. Birds have water. Water in that one, water in that one, and water. Oops. Water. Oh, they made that one dirty already. Anyway, birds are watered. They don't drink. It's just for show. It looks like they started to take a bath in it, actually. The way we prep the birds, they don't drink in the morning. They get a good drink before we load them on the trailer at night. But anyway, let me set this up. Everybody, we're going to try to let these birds go at 7:20. As soon as the sun rises, you can kind of see it right over there, starting to just come up a little bit. Sunrise is supposed to be 7:18 here. Let's set this up. We'll watch the sunrise while I prep the trailer. Nora has posted on Wind Companion, or it'll be posted after we do the release of the bird on Wind Companion. We'll have the prize payout for the bronze, silver, gold, and today's release. The prize payout for the race itself, and then actually will be for all three of the shorter races. We don't know the final payout until we know exactly how many birds are going to the final. Last year we had 95% of the birds that went to the first race went to the final race. Our goal is to have at least 85%, but we would like to do better what we had last year. We are always looking to improve. So. It was visible. The first time was really bad. Very dense cloud cover. Windy. In this area, but just south of here is some windmills. So they always put those in windy areas. So, but next week. Oh, there comes the sun a little bit. You see it peeking. Next goes really day. Birds come home good. Since they're supposed to have a slight tailwind. They will rest tomorrow, Wednesday, and possibly come back and go to 200 miles on Thursday. We want to get that done because we know the next 4 days, both at home in Alborn and up this way, big storms coming through and possible snow. So we want to get everything done before then. Okay, sun's coming up. It's 7:20. Let's let these birds out. See here. Where'd they go? Oh, we're right behind that sign. Let's see. They haven't come back from around that sign. Oh, there they are. They're right there, just to the bottom corner of that sign. But anyway, they're heading off in the right direction. So good luck to everybody. Have a wonderful day, and we will see you back at the loft.